I mean, wow, it's big changes coming over the next few days. Ed, you were talking about your car thermometer reading 55. We had a number of places that got well into the 50s today. Norwood 55, Boston hit 51, Plymouth hit 51. It was a warm one out there. A lot of melting going on, kind of some ponds of water out there, and that may refreeze a bit tonight, so be careful about that. We are dropping pretty quickly. It's 46 degrees. The air is really pretty dry out there right now. And with a little fog coming in tonight, there can be some extra moisture in the air, so a cold surface could actually have a little black ice. And of course, you can't see it. Untreated surfaces, once again, could get a little icy out there. But this winter weather advisory is really out for tomorrow night, because tomorrow night we've got moisture coming in. We're going to stay cold tomorrow night, and that's why I'm concerned about some ice developing. The moisture is still a long way off. It's way out over the central plains, and this, by the way, is where we're expecting severe weather tonight. The severe weather won't be in our forecast, but the rain will be moving this way, and the temperatures will be dropping. Now, initially tomorrow, we may get a few rain showers in, but it's warm enough that it's really in the form of rain showers. And it's not a terribly warm day. Not as warm as it was today. Highs will be pretty much into the 30s tomorrow. And then here comes that second wave of moisture. But at this time now, it's coming through at night. The temperatures have cooled down. And so now it becomes a wintry mix. By the way, this all moves out of here by the time we get into Friday afternoon. Not a lot of sunshine this weekend, but warm temperatures. We're going to get back up into the 50s. Perhaps maybe a few scattered showers on Sunday morning. But let me break down what's going to happen for you for tomorrow. First off tonight, a lot of clouds out there, and again, some patchy black ice is certainly a possibility. But as far as rain, it doesn't really show up until about late morning tomorrow. Temperatures, I mentioned, barely warm enough to hold on to rain instead of a wintry mix, but there could be a few spots out there where we see maybe a few areas of light snow or maybe some sleet going on. But then the second wave of moisture starts coming in as the temperatures drop overnight, and that's why a large area now is going to see a wintry mix. This is 2 o'clock in the morning on Friday morning, so you get the idea. Your commute probably is going to have some issues, and that cold air coming in may change it over to snow a little bit. So the Friday morning commute will have wintry mix, some areas rain, and some areas having some snow. It does not look like a pleasant Friday morning to be driving in. Not a heavy one. We're talking about a decent amount of rain, a good ½ inch out of this whole thing. So there's plenty of water with this one, but it's really the ice I'm more concerned with, because the temperature's going to be just cold enough, that rain falling onto cold surfaces. That's why I would say some ice developing, especially in higher elevated areas. Snow-wise, no. Most of the snow is going to stay to the north. We're not going to see a lot of it around here. But again, this is all happening right during the Friday morning commute. Timing is everything. So tonight, increasing clouds and patchy fog, and watch out for an icy spot here or there, that black ice forming. And then tomorrow, morning icy spots, they'll fade away. Afternoon, we start to see some showers, maybe a little mix with it. But it's tomorrow night when that icy mix moves in here. That's when we could see the problems. High temperatures tomorrow, not that warm. And it's even colder on Friday. High temperatures on Friday and Friday morning are really holding pretty steady, just barely above the freezing mark. So that's why I've made Friday an alert day, mostly because of the morning. The afternoon, it's just gray and kind of cool out there. But then we warm it up. Not a lot of sunshine this weekend, but 50 on Saturday, 54 on Sunday. Sunday morning, there might be a few sprinkles out there and a little light shower activity. But then after that goes through, we really bring the sunshine back. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, looks like highs will be pretty much into the 60s. So make sure the sump pump is ready and make sure you got the drains in the street cleared away. We're going to see a lot of melting over the next couple of days.